Carbon monoxide alarms and smoke alarms. We're going to combine these two inspectable items because they are so similar and because sometimes we are actually using a combination smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm. So let's look at the definitions. Carbon monoxide alarm. Definition: it's a single or multiple station alarm intended to detect carbon monoxide gas and alert occupants by a distinct audible signal, or if the unit is occupied by a person with a hearing impairment, a distinct visual alarm, or a combination of audible and visual alarms. It incorporates a sensor, control components, and an alarm notification appliance in a single unit. Its purpose is to detect and signal elevated carbon monoxide levels to prevent poisoning. Common components include a sensor, power source, battery, casing, wiring, a base, alarm circuit, strobe light, LCD panel / visual display, microprocessor, circuit board. Location: in the unit and inside. This can be found in unit bedrooms, unit or common area hallways, kitchens, stairwells, and other common areas. More information: this is not a replacement for a code inspection. Now the next sentence in this definition is rather awkward. I'm going to rewrite it or rephrase it. All requirements of IFC sections 915 and 1103 must be met, despite the fact that an Inspire inspection will only address the criteria listed herein. And a late note added to this, not included on our webpage: if a fuel burning appliance is located in an attic, treat the attic space as a mechanical room. So now let's look at the introductory definition for smoke alarms. Smoke alarm. Definition: a self-contained device that detects the presence of smoke, typically as an indication of fire, and provides a visual or audio signal as an alert. The purpose, of course, is to detect the presence of smoke and provide an alert. Common components include the plastic shell, the base, the battery, light, speaker, test button, electronic circuitry, battery backup. Location would be found, these would be found in a unit or inside, in a unit bedroom or unit and common area hallways, kitchens, stairwells, and other common areas. For more information, smoke alarms should be installed high on walls or ceilings. If mounted on the wall, then the top edge of the smoke alarm cannot be closer than 4 inches or greater than 12 inches from the ceiling. Smoke alarm should be installed at least 10 feet from a cooking appliance. A smoke alarm should not be installed near windows, doors, or ducts where drafts might interfere with operation. Smoke alarm should not be painted or have decorative stickers or other decorations present. The unit must include at least one battery-operated or hardwired smoke detector in proper working condition in the following locations: on each level of the unit, inside of each bedroom, or within 21 feet of any door to a bedroom measured along a path of travel, and where a smoke detector installed outside of a bedroom is separated from an adjacent living area by a door, a smoke detector must also be installed on the living area side of the door. So let's now look at deficiency 1 for carbon monoxide alarms and deficiency 1 for smoke detectors. Carbon monoxide alarm deficiency 1. Carbon monoxide alarm is missing, not installed, or not installed in a proper location. Smoke alarm deficiency 1. A smoke alarm is not installed where required, and this is an affirmative habitability requirement. Carbon monoxide alarm deficiency 1 is a unit affirmative habitability requirement as well. Deficiency 1 says that one or more of the following scenarios exists, and this is where this becomes quite complicated. Scenario 1, A unit contains a fuel-burning appliance or a fuel-burning fireplace, and a carbon monoxide alarm is not installed, A, in the immediate vicinity of each bedroom, B, within each bedroom, 2, bedroom or bathroom attached to the bedroom, A, contains a fuel-burning appliance or fuel-burning fireplace, B, has adjacent spaces from which byproducts of combustion gases can flow, and C, carbon monoxide alarm is not installed in each bedroom. 3, unit or bedroom is served by a forced air furnace that's located elsewhere and a carbon monoxide alarm is not installed, A, in the immediate vicinity of each bedroom, B, within each bedroom, C, within the room or area with the first duct register and the carbon monoxide alarm signals are automatically transmitted to an approved location. 4, unit or bedroom is located in a building that contains a fuel-burning appliance or fuel-burning fireplace, and A, a carbon monoxide alarm is not installed in an approved location between the fuel-burning appliance or fuel-burning fireplace and the unit or bedroom. B, a carbon monoxide alarm is not installed on the ceiling of the room containing the fuel-burning appliance or fuel-burning fireplace. C, the unit or bedroom has communicated openings to the fuel-burning appliance or fuel-burning fireplace, and a carbon monoxide alarm is not installed, 1, in the immediate vicinity of each bedroom, 2, within each bedroom. Scenario 5, the unit or bedroom is located 1 story or less above or below an attached private garage that A, does not have natural ventilation, B, is enclosed and does not have a ventilation system for vehicle exhaust, and C, a carbon monoxide alarm is not installed. 1, in the immediate vicinity of each bedroom, 2, within each bedroom. Oh my God. That's crazy. It's funny, that whole explanation always leaves people asking me still, where do I need to put my carbon monoxide alarms? I'm going to have to do a separate carbon monoxide video where I just explain where you need carbon monoxide detectors and why. But for now, let's go ahead and look at the deficiency 1 for smoke alarms. Deficiency 1 says, Deficiency 1, smoke alarm is not installed where required. This is an affirmative habitability requirement. Deficiency, smoke alarm is not installed inside each bedroom, and smoke alarm is not installed outside the bedroom or bedrooms, and smoke alarm is not installed on each level. More information. A smoke alarm installed within a hallway in the immediate vicinity of multiple bedrooms meets the requirement of outside the bedrooms under this standard. A smoke alarm installed outside a bedroom may meet the requirement of on each level under this standard. If a smoke alarm is missing, that is, there's evidence of a prior installation, but it's now not present or is incomplete from a non-required area, then it should not be evaluated under this standard. So let me just make that clear. That says we don't write up a missing smoke detector from an area where one is not required. It doesn't say we don't write up any missing smoke detector under this standard. It says we don't write up smoke detectors that are missing from areas where they are not required. So back to the text. If another hazard is present, then it should be evaluated under the respective standard. For example, an exposed conductor would be evaluated under electrical conductor outlet and switch standard. Going back to carbon monoxide alarms, let's look at deficiencies 2 and 3. Carbon monoxide alarm, deficiency 2. Carbon monoxide alarm is obstructed. Deficiency, carbon monoxide alarm is obstructed. For more information, a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm should be evaluated under both the carbon monoxide and smoke alarm standards. Deficiency 3, carbon monoxide alarm does not produce audio or visual alarm when tested. For more information, if the batteries are dead, then the carbon monoxide alarm should be evaluated under this deficiency. Any carbon monoxide alarm that is present should be evaluated under this deficiency. You may use a tool to press the test button. So let's compare those to the smoke alarm deficiencies 2 and 3. Smoke alarm deficiency 2 says, a smoke alarm is obstructed. For more information, it says, a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm should be evaluated under both the carbon monoxide alarm and smoke alarm standards. So they're saying here, if the device is a combo device and it doesn't operate, you cite it twice, once under carbon monoxide alarms, once under smoke alarms. Before anybody gets all excited about that, remember, this is non-scoring. And if you fix one, you fix both, so it's not that big a deal. Smoke alarm 3 says, smoke alarm does not produce an audio or visual alarm when tested. More information. If the alarm does not cease after testing, in other words, it continues to sound and never shuts off, then evaluate the condition under this deficiency. Thanks for viewing this video. This is Michael Gant signing off. Please do like this video if it's been helpful, and really do consider subscribing to this channel so that you get all of our content as it is posted. And as promised, I am going to do a short little separate carbon monoxide alarm video just on when do we need them and why, where do we have to place them.